In the last episode we visited a Beneteau 393 and got really enthusiastic. We put in an offer which was accepted. Next step was to have the boat surveyed. Surveyor Koos Blonk did an excellent job and provided us with an extensive report of the status of the ship. The survey also includes a test sail. Considering the time of the year, we were lucky enough to have a light breeze and some sunshine. The moment the engine was switched off and we continued by sail felt magical to us.
En nou ga ik hem niet meer pakken, want
Klopt. So Vinny, what's with the happy face?
yeah, look over there.
Where?
There.
Which one?
Yeah, the one with the mast.
They all got masts.
Yeah. We went for a test sail and a long day of testing with the this guy. He checked all the systems, the engine, the sails, the rigging, everything that was on the boat, and boat's in very good condition. No weak spots on the deck. Everything is still strong and new. And we went for a test sail and we bought her.
We bought a boat! It's a Beneteau 393.
Yeah.
And she's called Heron. We'll
Maybe we'll rename her.
change the name maybe. But yeah.
Happy
So we're
face.
now off to home.
Yeah.
It's my birthday today, so it's yeah, a special day in many ways. And we're gonna celebrate with some cake.
Nice birthday gift.
In the next episode, we can already go to the boat and do some cleaning before we even bought her. Feel free to give a comment and hit the like button. Until next time, cheers!